Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix incompatible graphics driver in AMD Adrenalin Radeon. So the first thing that you want to do is actually navigate through the drivers update for AMD. So this is their official website. In here you then want to look for your specific driver. So in my case I'm using the Radeon RX 7000 and it's going to be the 7700. Click submit. And if you recently downloaded the previous or basically the current file right here and it's not supported in your specific model, you just want to click on previous version and you could try to get one of the previous version that basically enables us to roll back the update. This will genuinely fix the problem on your situation. Next, you want to use the AMD cleanup utility if the first step didn't fix the problem. So you just want to follow the steps right here, download AMD cleanup utility. And once again, it should help you get rid of those corrupted drivers. And the next tool, once again, if the previous step didn't work, is to use the AMD software compatibility tool. Basically, this utility tool automatically find and install compatible versions of AMD software for the current installed AMD graphics drivers. So do the steps right here, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.